Along the crowded coast of Southern California, life revolves around the ever-present sun and the ever-changing sea. But even those who can master the mighty Pacific surf have little sense of the other world.
Civil danger warning for the following counties or areas in Wisconsin: Florence County, Forest County, Vilas County, Iron County, Price County, until June 8, 2003, at 11:59 p.m. If you are receiving this alert, it means that one or more harvesters have been sighted within or around your local area. Harvesters are a bulb-like species of Carnis with tendrils extending outward in all directions that pierce into any organism when stepped on. These tendrils contain venom that causes permanent paralysis and eventually kills its prey. Until further notice, refrain from going near forests or dense areas, as these areas are most likely to contain harvesters. If you notice a street sign with an illustration of a harvester on it, it means that a harvester is nearby and you should turn away immediately. Once a person is stung by a harvester's tendrils, there will be no way of helping them and death is certain. More information will be relayed through news outlets and the emergency alert system.